What's going on, y'all? This is your boy Lee. Today I'm gonna bring a brand new video. This time I'm gonna be eating some chips, Ruffles by Boston Celtics' very own Jason Tatum, the Flaming Hot Barbecue. There's Jason Tatum right here. Jason Tatum. And I'm gonna be trying this out and see what I think about this, and that's it. Let's dig into it. So enjoy the video, like and subscribe, and pork chop. Bam. Smells like barbecue. So, how's everyone doing today? Hope y'all doing it good. Oh, it's not. I know it's itchy. I just want to sneeze right now, but I'm good. Now it's day outside, nice and fresh. So, it's Jason Tatum, the NBA guard Jason Tatum. I hope he watches this video. Me eating the Ruffles that he decided to bring out. Let's see what. Flaming Hot Barbecue. It's good. It's all red. And then behind the bag says Ridges, respect your roots, but grow in your own way. See that? By Jason Tatum. So I just want everyone to have a great day, an awesome day. Like, I'm doing my best to put videos out there, trying to do YouTube, and right now I was enjoying my birthday weekend, and I had fun with the family. I just want everyone to have a great day, to stay positive, and enjoy this video. Like and subscribe to Pork Chop, and let's enjoy this video. Official chip by the NBA. That little logo. So I wish the NBA would sponsor me. I wish my team could sponsor me. My team is the San Antonio Spurs, and I almost forgot. I'd like to thank the best coach in the NBA, the winningest coach. I'd like to thank Greg Popovich. He's an amazing coach for San Antonio. Stayed with San Antonio since his 25th season. I'm not too sure. His old friend Don Nelson. And just want to say thank you to Greg Popovich. What a great career. And he's still coaching. But yeah, the Spurs are struggling, but I'm just happy that he hit his mark at 1,336. So congratulations to Greg Popovich. And yeah. And in NFL news, I want to say to Tom Brady, welcome back. I'm finished. Just ruffles. If you like spicy chips and stuff like that, give it a like. Spicy wise, my nose is kind of running a little bit because I don't have no napkins, but spicy wise, I give it a nice 8. Chips, I know chips ain't good for you, but overall spiciness, an 8. The flavor and the spicy barbecue, give that a 10. So that's gonna be today's video. Hope you like and subscribe to Pork Chop. Enjoy this video, you guys. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video. Peace out.